कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uba Alexander Elhek ubalong Menteri ke Sarkar Jela berunong yalam jok Bharatiya Janata Party hakalai trik urampang araja apusau ula Pynksan ke jingshim rai jok Sarkar Jela Pynjlan sahendru bna ke Samoi Treikam jok Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council beri ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council dak baong ke Sarkar klashim yakani karai hadir ulat ke Jela ula ai ke jiminjur bantau ke delimitation committee nak benta ben pinbet renti ki MDC constituency.
For that reason, the government yesterday, the cabinet, I was not, of course, in the cabinet, but the decision taken to postpone the district council election for the next 6 months. See, this delimitation also is one of the important decisions of the states and the districts. There are people, many, they have their different opinions. The different opinion of other people I cannot say.
Henry Katbau Chief Spokesperson jaka BJP ba Maria Hom Kharkrang ulapin pau ke jingbam so Ïahap ke jingshim rai jaka Sarkar ban Pynjlan ni ke Samoi Treikam jang kini ke artili ke Autonomous District Council.
Ni shui ba Pynjlan mo tama ni reasons ba Pynjlan come done as far as I know you can extend the term of the district council tamba long kadi bandan ka valid reasons and emergency kind of situation the here government will have to spell out what is the reason should be a valid reason delimitation kana ladai kila nam la put kini gendri kadai you amta tu marketu la yo so khamslam now groundwork padle ke now suppose you're not able to complete within 6 months now what happens
so
you extend again. Public would want to know from the government what are the emergency situation, what are the exigencies that will warrant the extension of the district council. See, so now you cannot extend the term of the district council on flimsy grounds now. There has to be some valid reason. So we leave it to the government to come clear on that.
So that means they can go with the non-delimited existing constituencies also.
We have been going with that earlier. That's what I'm saying. Now, if government feels that we have reached an emergency situation where we have to finish off this delimitation exercise before we start the new elections. So now the government will have to come clear on that as to what is the emergency in that. For whatever questions that the public puts up in the public, I mean the media and whatever, government should be able to answer those queries. See, for anything, there has to be a political reason for it, no? And for anything, there has to be a political reason. Even delimitation also, there has to be a political reason for that, no? Okay.